In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a single audio file in DaVinci Resolve. If you need to save just one audio clip from your project, DaVinci Resolve makes it pretty simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go, which option to select, and what settings you can adjust before exporting your file. To begin, open your project and go to the Fairlight section. This is the audio workspace inside DaVinci Resolve, and it's where you can manage, edit, and export sound more directly. If you're currently in the Edit page or another section of the program, just switch over to Fairlight so you can access the audio tools you need. Once you're in Fairlight, find the specific audio clip you want to export. Take a moment here to make sure you're selecting the correct file, especially if your timeline includes multiple audio clips, music tracks, voice recordings, or sound effects. Being careful at this stage can save time and help you avoid exporting the wrong item. After you've found the audio clip, click on it, then right-click to open the menu of available options. In that menu, choose Export Audio Files. This is the command that allows you to create a separate exported version of the selected audio. When the export window appears, you'll be able to adjust a few settings before saving the file. For example, you can choose the folder where the exported audio will be saved. It's a good idea to pick a location that's easy to find later, especially if you're sending the file to someone else or using it in another project. You can also change the file name so the exported audio is clearly labeled. This is helpful for organization, particularly if you're exporting several versions of the same clip. You'll also see options for file format and other export settings. Depending on what you need, you can choose the format that works best for playback, sharing, or further editing. If you're unsure, just review the settings carefully and keep them consistent with your intended use. Once you've finished setting everything up, click Export. DaVinci Resolve will then create the audio file using the settings you selected. And that's it. That's how to export a single audio file in DaVinci Resolve. If you follow these steps carefully, you should be able to save your audio quickly and cleanly without exporting anything extra.